The present simple tense is used to describe habitual actions, general truths, facts, or things that are always true. Here's how to form and use it. Formation. Positive statements. For most subjects, I, you, we, they, plural nouns, add the base form of the verb, without to. Example, I eat pizza. For the third person singular, he, she, it, singular nouns, add s or es to the base form of the verb. Example, she eats pizza. Negative statements. Use the auxiliary verb do, for I, you, we, they, or does, for he, she, it, plus not plus base form of the verb. Example, I do not eat pizza. / she does not eat pizza. Questions. Use the auxiliary verb do, for I, you, we, they, or does, for he, she, it, plus subject plus base form of the verb. Example, do you eat pizza? / does she eat pizza? Use. Habitual actions. Describe actions that happen regularly or repeatedly. Example, I swim every morning. Facts and general truths. Describe facts that are always true or general truths. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Scheduled events, for timetables and schedules. Example, the train leaves at 9 a.m. Instructions or directions, in recipes, manuals, or instructions. Example, mix the ingredients together. Narration in literature or storytelling, often used in books to describe events or actions. Example, she walks into the room and looks around. Signal words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, indicate frequency. Every day, every week, every year, indicate regularity. On Mondays, in the morning, indicate specific times. Facts or general truths, always, never, usually. Examples. She plays tennis every Saturday. Habitual action. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. General truth. I don't eat meat. Negative statement. Do you like chocolate? Question. Remember, the present simple tense doesn't always mean the action is happening right now. It can also refer to habitual or regular actions.